So today we are going to learn about electrostatic shielding and Faraday cages and why it's not such a bad thing if you're in a lightning storm as long as you're inside a car. And I don't want to do that with me, so we're going to do it with Benjamin. Here we have Benjamin Franklin wearing a nice little Hawaiian hula skirt made of tinsel, and he is about to be in a thunderstorm. We are going to make our thunderstorm with our Van de Graaff generator. You can think of the belt in the Van de Graaff generator going around like this as analogous to the air circulation underneath the thunderhead as the thunderhead builds up. And then you can think of this up here as the analog of the cloud. So as soon as I unground this, it's going to start charging up. And you see Mr. Franklin there getting a little bit uncomfortable. You see his hula skirt streaming out behind him as he is in right now in quite a large electric field. As you can get a sense there, he's not so happy at this point. Maybe I'll turn it up even higher. There you see, well, I've got a lightning bolt going to my grounding rod, and as you can look at what's happening to Benjamin as the lightning bolt hits the grounding rod. There you go. Benjamin is not happy. So now what we're going to do is we are going to have the same thunderstorm, the same electric field, but we are going to put Benjamin in a Faraday cage. So to put him in the cage, I'm going to start by turning this off, and we'll ground him. And here's my Faraday cage right here. I'm going to put Benjamin in the cage. Here we go. Okay. Benjamin's going to be in the same spot that he was before, same tinsel skirt that he had before, but this time he is in a cage. Like, for example, if you're in a thunderstorm, but you are safely in a car. So let's see whether it is indeed safe. And here we go. Let's turn on the thunder, or the lightning, rather. Let's turn on the lightning. Now, if you look, you can see that there's lightning hitting the cage. There's that lightning bolt going from the Van de Graaff right to the cage here. And you can see that the cage has a very considerable electric field on it by looking at the tinsel over here on the far side, which is streaming out behind it just like the tinsel on Benjamin was before. But now look inside at Benjamin in there, and I have to be careful not to touch the cage. But now look inside at Benjamin in there, and his tinsel is completely motionless. Benjamin is completely comfortable in there, calm, at rest, while the lightning storm rages around him, literally around him, and that just got me. If I touch that, I get shocked. Okay, that's what I just got shocked, but Benjamin is completely safe. This is the phenomenon of electrostatic shielding, and this kind of a cage is often called a Faraday cage. And we'll now turn the lightning off.